It's finally here, and it is so small, smaller than I expect. So I'm going to open this up and show you the item. Okay, so this is just like everybody's been showing recently, that now it's in my hand, and I have to say it's really smaller than I expected, but and that's how I feel. Look at my hand. My hand is small, and the whole thing it's small. And the one I purchased is the 2 books, 2 parts. All right, let me open up the bubble wrap. Okay, so the bubble wrap is gone, and it has a little initial smell of plasticky, very little. It's almost negligible. Okay, so here comes the box. Wow, I'm so excited I came and opened the thing. Yeah, it's kind of pretty tightly packed, I feel, but I mean, it's good. I mean, the packaging, it's not like so forcefully be inputted. The box is very sturdy, super sturdy. I feel like it's almost like made of wood. It's a very sturdy box, and yeah, I would say the box is great, wonderful. Now that's the inside. The sticker is beautiful. The packaging is beautiful. There we go. Holy moly, this is like dream come true, because I've been waiting for this for so long. All right. Whoa. I am looking at it first time through this camera. It feels so weird. Okay. So I have 2 books, okay, side by side. Most people get the black one. I decided to do, one of each kind. The texture of the marble, the pink one, is definitely different from the black one. It's for sure it's different. Obviously, they have to be the same thickness. So you have part 1 and part 2. The back. Okay. So I think the contrast of the gold and the black definitely is much more visible with the the black version. The pink one is less. And I feel like, I don't know if they use a different design for the print, maybe better. I'm not quite sure, but the pink one is the part 2. Wow, it feels really nice. It feels like Bible, like everybody says. I really enjoy it. I really think this is very nice touch to have the gold, side. There are 100 million flip through of the planners already. I'm not gonna do that here. Instead, I'm actually going to show you how they fit into a couple of the covers I have for the planners. Okay, so I put the first part to this 7 Felicity cover. This is, I purchased from Amazon. It's A6 cover, quartz, some kind of style. It seemed like smaller. I mean, the planner is kind of smaller than what these cover can fit. So there's some space for the top and the bottom. And this cover is cover from an B6 planner that I purchased from when I lost the haul from a books.com Taiwanese site. And also, it seems like there's space, around. So neither of these 2 covers are kind of perfect fit. So I think I am kind of looking for a perfect fit cover, really, for this planner. Other than that, when this is a you know, half year. The thickness of the planner is much more, I think it's much more manageable, right, than the full year version. So I really actually glad to purchase the VAC version, half and half. So, and I cannot wait to start using this. I'm actually going to start using this by start from the back pages. Gonna start setting my goals for next year, you know, even some goals for the next couple, like a month or so, something like that. Transition to, I got this provides so much note pages, it's insane. The amount of note pages provided is absolutely insane. So I'm gonna use it that way. The monthly, let me see, start from, you know, can start from December already, and then the weekly. Yep. So the weekly starts last week of December, but the notes page for sure I can start using. Even the goal page I think would be fine to start using. This is the last page of weekly, so it's at the end of June. And for second half, it starts from, well, the second half starts from June, okay, and then to all the way to December, and you get 1 month actual, January. For this one, do you get 1 month extra? For July, I doubt. Oh yeah, you do. Okay, so you have January to July, so each book would have 1 extra month. That's bonus, right? Anyway, so this is it. Finally, it's here. So excited. It feels really nice. Okay, I'll see you next time. Goodbye, my friends.